This group of players behind me are already history makers. It's the first major tournament that we've made, and I'm sure many more to come. This is the catalyst, isn't it, really? I think what this team have managed to achieve so far is just simply incredible. We're all very proud as a nation back home in Wales, and to be here in Switzerland to see them perform at this level is very important. But to see that back home at a grassroots level will be the next step, and we look forward to working with the FAW to try and promote that and to support where we can. Fantastic, isn't it? Be here watching the next Jess Fishlocks kick a ball in the fan zone is brilliant, and that's what this tournament is about, isn't it? Inspiring the next generation. But it's not just about football, it's about Welsh culture, and we are bringing Welsh culture here. The artists, the resident poet that's here, the music, everything that we can do on the global stage, and selling Cymru to Switzerland and beyond is a great way to do it. And doing that with sports, doing that with football is a fantastic way, and it's huge for the nation, and we're just so proud to be able to support the team. Public Cymru, come on Cymru.